Something happened over 2,000 years ago that caused the wise men to go to the place where the Christ child was born. The question is, what was it? We look at all of the evidence that we have at our disposal, whether it was a comet, which is a hairy star because it has this long trailing beard, or a shooting star meteor, or perhaps a planet, which is a wandering star. We look at all of the evidence and try to figure out what special event could have happened in the heavens at the time of Christ's birth that might have explained the journey of the wise men. We now believe that the birth of Christ occurred sometime between 8 and 2 BC. The sky is the same. In fact, we are the same latitude here in Houston as Jerusalem and Bethlehem. Therefore, we see exactly the same sky. However, the planets are in different positions, and a transient event like a comet may or may not be there at a given time. They're not predictable. So we look at the historical evidence that's tied to astronomical events. We go back and look for the astronomical events. Then we start trying to get the best approximation of what the wise men might have seen. And when you come to the planetarium, when you come to see Star of Bethlehem, we will do this for you. We'll back up time, we'll show you the most likely sequence of events that we have told the wise men of the birth, and they enable them to predict it ahead of time and to come and see the Christ child.
Well, in the planetarium, it's a dome theater, so it's all around us like a hemisphere. When it's a circle like this is distorted almost like a fisheye, so that when you display it inside the dome, it wraps around that circle properly and it has the proper distortion. So down here at the bottom is actually what would be kind of in front of us. And over here to the right side of the circle, or at, at the 3 o'clock spot, that would be all the way to your own right. And over here would be all the way to your left, and then up at the top of the circle would actually be behind you. And then right in the middle is what we call the zenith, and that's straight up 90 degrees. And so it's in this spherical format that we do all of our imagery.